Hey everybody, how you doing today? I have a Verilux Rise and Shine alarm clock, model VA04. It is a alarm clock, FM radio, plus you can put in, there's an 1/8 inch jack on the back to let you put in your iPod or CD or whatever else you'd want to feed into it. It is supposed to be a different kind of alarm clock. Instead of waking you up with just a loud noise, this thing has this light bar on top, and you can set it for different cycles, 5 minutes, 15 or 30, and what it'll do is when it's supposed to get you up, the lights up top here continue to get brighter and brighter and brighter. It's supposed to imitate sunlight, and it's also supposed to do the same thing if you want to go to sleep. It's supposed to imitate dusk, and it'll continue to get lower and lower light until it's out, and also the sound goes up or down with the light. I don't know if you can pick either or. I didn't read too much about it. The manual's online. All you have to do is search Verilux VA04, and there's a bunch of places that have them. You can read more about it. It has an SD card slot and a USB, so you can put a memory stick in there with music or sounds. It only has one speaker right there on the side. Then on the back you have external antenna, headphones, and auxiliary in. That would be for your iPod or whatever you want to feed in. They're all 1/8 inch jacks. And then this is also an auxiliary plug if you wanted to plug in your light on your nightstand or something else, and a fuse to protect it in case of overload. Alright, I'll show you the bottom real quick. It's nice and clean. This thing is very clean. There's only one spot I've seen. I'll try and hold it up here. Hopefully you can see it. I'll move it around a little bit. Right here is a little bit of something. You probably can't see it. I'll try and show it later. So I'll turn it on here for you. Let you hear some of the sounds, if I can figure it out. There we go. I'll pick a sound here. To select things on the menu, you'll turn the knob, and then when you're on what you want, push the knob and it'll give you more. Turn it again. That is called Amazon Evening. I'll give another one here a try. There's Ocean Surf. I'm going to point the speaker so that you can hear it a little better. I'll give you one more here. This is rain ambience. Alright, so turn this down. Then you also have in here wake tones, which would be angels, bell alarms, breathe. Well, let's see what angels sound like. So what's supposed to happen is when it's time for you to get up, these lights will start slowly lighting, I would believe, with the blue, and once the blue fills out, the white goes, and also your sound will come on low and continue to increase with the light. Okay, so you push the big button there to shut it off. I guess there's no snooze. I don't know. So there you have it. What happens is you can set it to go off or start lighting up and making sound 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 5 minutes before your wake up time. So if you have it set at 5 minutes and your wake up time is at 6:30, this will start lighting up at 6:25. Or if you set it at a half hour, it'll start its process at 6 o'clock and take a half hour to get to full brightness and sound. There's also that the sound you just heard was campfire. That's why it was crackly. It was supposed to be a fire crackling. There's also normal alarm sounds, and I believe you can put just about any sound you want on here. That's why you have the SD card and the USB drive. Or you can wake up with music. You can set it to the radio, I believe. You can look up Verilux VA04 if you want to read the manual. There's plenty of them out there. Manuals has a good one. Manual with 2 Z's. It's online. It's free. So that's about it. If you get it, hope you like it. Hope it lasts a long time for you. And hopefully it gives you more pleasant wake-ups and going to sleep.